Welcome to part 2 of our family road trip, from Canyonlands to the bright lights of Vegas. If you haven't seen how it all began, watch part 1 first, then join us for the fun, excitement, and flashing lights of Vegas. Day 4 starts with our arrival in Las Vegas bright and early and with a drive down the legendary Strip. We cruise past the elegant Paris Hotel with its Eiffel Tower, the bold Statue of Liberty at New York, New York, and the stunning Luxor with its massive 30-story bronze pyramid. The Excalibur stands tall with its colorful towers. Vegas is like traveling the world without ever leaving the street. We check in at Treasure Island Hotel, perfectly located right on the Strip, and head out for a nice walk to take in all the sights and energy of the city. Then in the evening, we went to see Cirque du Soleil's Michael Jackson show. And wow, what an experience. The music, the dancing, the visuals, absolutely unforgettable, especially for fans like us. It was the perfect end to a perfect Vegas day. Day 5 started with some poolside relaxation at our hotel, much needed after all the action. Then we took a walk to explore some of Vegas's stunning hotel lobbies, each one more impressive than the last, only in Vegas. We visited the Wynn with its luxury boutiques, lush gardens, and elegant atmosphere. Then the Grand Canal shops, Venetian theme with gondolas, cobblestone walkways, and a painted sky overhead. At the Flamingo, we enjoyed the peaceful wildlife habitat filled with flamingos, turtles, and waterfalls. Free and fun for the whole family. Next, we visited the Bellagio Conservatory to see their spring installation. The birds and the bees, a whimsical garden filled with Fabergé eggs, floral sculptures, colorful bird houses, and even real birds resting in their charming homes. It was a dreamy celebration of spring. Just outside, the Bellagio fountains dazzled us with music, lights, and water dancing in perfect harmony. Especially magical at night. We ended the day feeling inspired, relaxed, and completely in love with the magic of Vegas. Up next, part 3, our magical trip to Disneyland. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Hope you loved it.